Video greetings from a few of the many who love and adore you. I hope you love it.
The strongest woman I've ever known in BPO. Hi, Del Pinks. Happy birthday. May our Lord Jesus Christ will grant all your wishes in life, and may our Lord Jesus Christ will going to protect and guide you every second and every minute of your life. Del Pinks, just continue to being kind, humble, standing at all times. God bless you more and your family as well. I love you.
Hi TL Pinky, happy birthday. I wish you a successful and happy life. Again, happy birthday.
Hi TL Pinks, kamusta? Happy birthday to you. More birthdays to come and God bless. More powers to you and enjoy your day.
Shout out sa gwapa na mga TL Pinky Bernades. Happy birthday and I wish you the best of everything. Goodbye.
Hi, Miss Pinky, my very first TL. Hope you can still remember me and long time no see. Happy birthday! Wishing you a year ahead with full of love, laughter, countless beautiful moments. Enjoy your day. God bless and keep safe always.
Happy birthday, Pinky. You deserve all the cakes, love, hugs, and happiness. Happy birthday, my friend.
Happy birthday, Pinky. Hope you will enjoy your day and always stay sexy and pretty. Hope to have more travel adventures with you. Have a good day and enjoy your day. Happy birthday again.
Hi TL Pinks, it's me, your boy, Lester Hablo, again. Happy na birthday mo pa. Wish you good health. Enjoy your birthday.
Mama, happy birthday! Mama, are you happy? Nakabubuan ako. Char! Kidding aside, happy birthday, Mama. Wish ko stay pretty, Coca-Cola buddy, and sexy. Mama, enjoy ka, kaganda.